Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper. And oh my goodness, I've got an unboxing for you. You guys, if you don't remember, one of you beauties sent me a little hair clip, and it was by a company called Lilla Rose. And so I have to show you this box that I got. Actually, I think it's the other side. It is a hair clip company, and I remember using clips very similar to these in my youth. So like in the 70s, 80s, I used them quite a bit. And if you are my age, you might remember what I'm talking about. But they had an awesome sign-up special. And so, you know me, looking for the discounts and trying to get more information, I ended up joining at a great little price. And this is the starter kit. So look at all this stuff I got. Holy smokes. All right. So let's see here. I am brand new to this, but you guys, tell me you're not going to be getting these for Christmas. I can't wait. Okay, so let's look at what we've got here. Oh, we've got a brush with the actual name Lilla Rose on it, and it's one of those flexi brushes. That's going to be cool. And this is what sold me, the little sports. These are Flex Sports. Now, this is what you'll remember if you remember it all. Do you remember barrettes like this? So I like this. Do you see that curve there? That allows, see these little teeth? That is a locking system. So look how much hair can fit in there because it's got this. The ones back in the 70s didn't have that. But look at how much hair can go in there. That is huge. And then you can fit it there or there. And that is big, right? Maybe you don't want it as big. You flip it around the other way. You get your hair in there. And look at how tight that is. Like, that's going to hold your hair great. And again, you can, there's so much hair that can fit in there. So, let's see. They gave us some of these. These are called the Flexi Flip Sports. I'm going to flip this back over to put that in here. So I got one in that tan color. So you guys, if you wanted to support and get any, you can actually start buying them from me. You go to lillarose.biz/beautyandthestamper and you can get them to purchase as well. You can also sign up. It was a great deal. There's multiple different deals you can get, so I'm not going to tell you how much it is because it's not the same as some of my other businesses. But look at that great olive color. It's more of like what I would, in Stampin' Up, I would call it a pear pizzazz, right? Because there's the pear pizzazz. I can bring it all together. But this is the Flexi Sport Flip. Yep, the Flexi Sport again. Now this one says Sport. This one says Flexi Flip. I think it's just the bags because they look pretty similar. Again, I'm just starting. This is my first opening other than the ones I've been using that my friend sent me, that you, Marquita the Beauty, sent me. This is a beautiful brown color. And let's open some more. They sent me some business cards. A bag. A gigantic bag. It's a nice big bag here. With some leather straps. Maybe a faux leather. I'm not sure. Let's see what's in here. And then let's see, a welcome, some little information, the different ways to style, those flexi flips with really pretty, the ones I got were the sports, and then these are really pretty if you could see the different hairstyles there. There's the sport one. This is how I wear mine most often, like just in a ponytail, and I wear them in low ponies as well. You know me. They've got, what's this? Oh, there we go. The catalogs. They've got all kinds of wonderful hair accessories. And if you've been following me for any length of time, you know I wear my hair so many different ways. These are so pretty. So there's a catalog, and then hosting a style up, and then what you can earn when you host a style up. And as a stylist, you get to earn, I think it's 30%, if I'm not mistaken. So pretty decent. We got some more stuff in here. This is a hair mascara. Okay. So this is going to go on your hair and color up those, for me it'll color up those grays. But it can add color. I know they have different colors as well on those mascaras. Ooh. Let's open these up. This is not plastic, this is a metal. And these are going to go in, like if you have a bun or something, it goes in between your hair and sticks in your hair and has that beautiful piece showing there. That is nice. What is this? There's nothing in here. It's a little bag. I think this is so if you sell one, you can wrap it as a nice little gift. I'll tell you, if you have hair and I'm getting you a Christmas present, it's probably going to be one of these because these are beautiful. And then I get to save 30% on all my Christmas presents. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's just a little one. How cute is that? Obviously, this one can't flip because it has this piece here. So it's just one size, but it is very tight. So it could be just like a little barrette, or you can make it looser and have a little, like, I like to pull the front of my hair back. So that's got enough for that. That is beautiful. Can you see that? Shine like that. For Thanksgiving, that would be perfect. All right, let's look at this one. Look at that. This is a flex. Or this is a flippy one, right? Because you can do it either way. It doesn't say on here. But you can do it either way. And look at how pretty these are. So your hair is going to go in there. And look at that. It's not coming off. Isn't that cool? And you just pull it out of your hair. It's a great little guy. I love them. I have only worn these, actually. I haven't been wearing regular barrettes since I got these, and I haven't been using rubber bands in my hair either. I've been using these, and I sleep with the flexi ones, these little sport ones. I sleep with them, and I can't even tell. And then look at this one. This one has a coffee cup. There's so many different styles, so many different of these things. What would these be called? Maybe a gem? I don't know. I'm brand new to this. So as you guys know, if I'm brand new to something, I will look, and then I should know more. But I just wanted to get you in on this. So, all right, you guys, that is cool. I got all of this in my starter kit. Definitely a good deal. Just even if I just got the pieces. So, if I was just going for grabbing these, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces, plus the bag, plus the brush. So all within my starter kit. You guys, if you are interested at all in looking at any more of this stuff, I will put it on my blog, I will put it in my newsletter, and I will put it in the description of this video, so that you can click on this link, or you could just type it in and find out more. Thank you guys so much. I cannot wait to show you some of the hairstyles and some of the stuff we'll be doing over the holidays. All right, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.